My name's Lonnie Porty. I'm one of the owners here at the Key Shoppe in Picayune, Mississippi. So we're a full service locksmith. And one of the biggest things we do is actually safe deliveries. This is my husband, James.
We've been a locksmith company for about 38 years. We're well balanced. We do automotive, commercial, and residential. And then actually we have the safes, maybe a fourth department where we service, sell, and open safes involved.
Yeah, and we do this for government facilities. We do it for schools, for hospitals, just about any aspect that you would actually have any type of security needs in there. So whenever we're transporting stuff in our air tow trailer, we're actually going through and moving safes. We're moving equipment. From time to time, we actually have doors and door frames that will go in there whenever we have a big job. We'll be able to go move everything in the trailers and go back. But it's not limited to that. We have schools that come in and they need file cabinets moved, large Fire King file cabinets or things like that, that will actually go out, transport that, and bring it from one facility to another, or even bring it here for storage as well.
We've tried all different formats, from using pickup trucks with a lift gate, at one time using tow trucks with a rollback trailer. We migrated to the air tow, the single axle drop deck, the S8, and that was a game changer for us. The safety alone was worth the investment. When you have 1,000 or 2,000 pound gun safe on the back of a pickup truck and trying to lower it, it gets very scary having that much weight, and they always have a tendency to fall forward. So upgrading to the air tow is indeed an improvement in our safety.
Since we have actually the enclosed trailer, we don't have to fight the elements as much anymore. So if there is rainy days, especially being here in South Mississippi, we do fight a lot of weather elements. So we can go through and securely move something with it staying safe and dry on the inside as well.
The way that they're built, they're a solid platform. You can tow these trailers empty or loaded. They tow amazingly beautiful.
I have seen some of them lift up 1,000-pound safe and put it into the bed of a 350 truck with a Tommy gate. And there has been times that I've been on pins and needles waiting for this thing to topple over. Now it's so efficient just to be able to lower the trailer all the way to the ground and roll the safe in. Even strapping it, lifting it up, there's no concerns whatsoever. So our safety has definitely increased with the air tow trailer. It has improved every aspect for us. It's went from taking, we'll say, a substantial amount of time getting safes out the door, loaded up into trucks or tow trucks, to now with the beds of the trailers being able to lower flat, we can actually roll them in and out. And it has increased our efficiency there by, I would say, at least 50 to 60%, if not more, as far as being able to get in and out really, really quickly on a site.
Most deliveries under 1,000 pounds can now be done with one technician versus 2 or 3 because of the safety factor. There's been very little maintenance. Preventive maintenance, yes, but as far as having downtime issues, we've towed the trailer excessive 1,500 miles in one direction multiple times. We've never had an issue.
And one of the things that we benefited from was we actually had the trailer wrapped. So it is a rolling billboard for us. And that's one of the key features if you look at that not only do you have the benefits of having an air tow trailer and moving stuff, but now you actually have a rolling billboard to benefit your business and advertise it. So that has helped a lot. Everywhere we go, there is always comments, always questions about, hey, what is that? Where do I get one? And we love it.
We can't go to a gas station without other customers walking up and inquiring either about our services or the trailer itself.
They can always go to our website at www.keyshoppe.com. Now, we do spell it a little bit different. It is KEYSHOPPE.com. They can go there. They can find us on Facebook. We do have TikTok. We have a lot of different advertisements, and they can always give us a call. We have, like I said, 2 locations. Google us. You can search us and get our numbers.